Hello, Ronald. You have it? You mean it this time? You know what happened last time? Okay, I'm on my way. Woo! And we have got it. It was about over 2 months ago where Ronald lied to us and told us it was at certain McDonald's which didn't even have it in stock. But you can now get the McPlant in every McDonald's. So I've got it, and yeah, let's try it. So it is burger, looks like 2 slices of cheese, tomato, lettuce, onion, and their special McDonald's sauce. Very messy. I literally had to have a toilet roll on hand while I was shooting the thumbnail because it's so messy. But anyway, looks aside, what's it all about? Okay, so this is it. The McPlant burger review taste test. It is good, but I'm just have to go in for one more bite. One sec. I'm a little underwhelmed, but to be honest, it is a really good burger, like a solid 8 out of 10. But if you watch my previous McPlant video where I ended up making my own burger, I actually think my own burger was better. Granted, I think it cost more money to make, but mine was better. Maybe I'm just being, I did make it, but I feel like mine had a little more zest maybe. I think one reason why my burger was better is they don't melt the cheese on, like it's just cheese slices put on top of the burger. I feel like it would make a huge difference if they just melted the cheese a little bit on top of the burger. I'm sure Burger King do that, and that is such a game changer. And just the way the burger's cooked. So overall, I'm gonna rate the McPlant burger a 7 out of 10, which I think is pretty fair, and I think that's pretty much what McDonald's is, a 7 out of 10. It's not the best in the world, but it's definitely not the worst in the world. I definitely prefer the Burger King nuggets and also the Burger King Royale, so Burger King's probably my go-to if I was gonna get fast food right now. But yeah, I hope you've enjoyed the video. Let me know in the comments below if you've tried the McPlant burger. Let me know in the comments below if you've tried the McPlant burger and what your opinions are. I'd love to know. As I've said in my previous videos, I'm actually starting a journey into spiritual fitness, so there aren't going to be many more fast food videos. I am starting a long fast tomorrow, so I just wanted to try these out before I started fasting. So yeah, just to prove I'm real, this is the book I'm reading. Yeah, that's going to be it for the video. I'll see you guys in the next one.